We'll kind of break it down as we go. Ready? Okay, it's gonna be great. All right, here we go. So we're gonna see each other here. So here's our notes from our rumba silence. So 6, 7, 8. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick. There's my partner. Go. Quick, quick, slow. And quick. Third one into the spiral. It goes quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, and slow. Brush your hair. Shake. Slow. And reach it out and slow. Make those nice, big, we're saying rainbow, showing off her spiral.
Yes, yeah.
There she goes. I go get her.
Yeah.
So we start on 8. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock quick, quick, slow. And diagonal. And partner. And quick, quick, slow. And diagonal and partner. Last one. Quick, quick, spiral and walk, walk back. Then brush my hair and waist and reach and slow. Yeah, it'll be pretty when we get it out.